Evolve Videography Retreat is an invitation to film creatives who are passionate about their job but ready to take their business to the next level. Evolve Videography candidates are creative and tenacious. They want to overcome any frustrations, gain confidence, and also get access to industry insight. It's about being in an immersive training atmosphere.
It opened our eyes to seeing how the other teams did it and how Emma does it.
I'm honestly so fired up for this.
It's just inspired me beyond belief.
No matter what I could have expected, it has definitely been exceeded.